Guys, thank you so much for joining. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good or the goodies. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. Thank you for joining me on my live stream today. Just here at my office. Welcome. Good morning, Sam. Oh, Sam Glows. Sam Glows, how are you? Long time no see. At the moment, there are no globes. Basically I do video editing, photography, and then so thank you for joining. Thank you, guys. Welcome to my live stream. Bike video. Thank you guys for joining. Good morning to you. How are you doing? How are you? Hey, sometimes I always this system should be going fast.
Yeah. You get move level 5. Cái quả chịu và expire là hàng cam.
William Hanja.
Em làm anh giờ đi được.
Come call level 5 yo. Mawaro Panama. Yeah, so he get level 6.
Chịu và nhau cũng bảo 1 hour cứ làm ra.
William cha. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I'm at work this morning, so I'm just I'm editing my video so they can watch. All right. How is everybody? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Hello? Yeah, brother.
Park play. Thank you.
Hey, mo amiga. Ay, yo deal with me. Make I hate your deal with me.
Alexa, good morning. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Here's number 1. You look good. Thank you. You look good too. I look good, and you look good too. All right? Yeah, that's what's up. We all look good. Welcome to my live stream. Welcome. At the office this morning, trying to fix 1 or 2. So in case you're just joining, you're welcome. Happy to have you here. God bless you. You are all welcome. No, YouTube. There are no pirate. Hello, how are you? Big mama night Janjo. Thank you guys for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, and then you can watch some of my videos. Right now I'm in the studio. I'm trying to edit some videos, and that's what I'm doing basically. So share this video, let's know where you're watching us from. Let me know where you're watching us from. All right, let's know where you're watching us from. What's my job? I'm a photographer, cinematographer, and a YouTuber. If I must add, okay. Yeah, that's what I do. That's my job, bro. Let's know where you are watching us from. Yeah, guys, let's know. Where you watching from? As for me, I'm in Nigeria. Thank you so very much. Park Play. Hello, Ocean. Ocean, how are you? How you doing? How you doing today? Oh, you also have YouTube. What's the name of your YouTube channel? Just tell me so that I can subscribe. Good, thanks. Welcome. Please subscribe, guys. If you have a YouTube channel, just write it down so that I can help you to subscribe. And just subscribe to your YouTube channel. At least if you're supporting me, I should support you too. All right? If you support me, let me support you too. Well, guys, so and that's true. So you've subscribed. Thank you so much. If you have a YouTube channel, please just drop your YouTube channel so that other viewers too will subscribe. I myself will subscribe, and then we'll operate as one family. All right. So I'm searching your YouTube. Park Play.
Kangaroo Pouch.
Same as when I say 50 million, 100 million is Zakaswan. It's a Lagos. Yeah, yeah. You're paying my time now. Come on, man. It's possible. Drop your YouTube channel so that, please, if anyone drop the YouTube channel, you can subscribe to their YouTube channel. They can subscribe to your YouTube channel too. Me too, I'm going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. That's what I'm doing right now. So to help us grow our YouTube channels. Well, if you think that somebody has the video that you have the same interest, then subscribe. It's good to subscribe and watch. If you subscribe and you're not watching the video, it's good as not subscribing. I can't find your video. Okay, there's no R. There's no R. Okay. So if you're here, this is your channel, right? If you're here, so this is your channel. Right. See it, subscribing. I've subscribed. So drop your channel for subscription. Thank you guys for joining. So I'm going to subscribe to Ocean. Ocean, I'm going to subscribe to your YouTube channel now. Guys, please. Subscribe to let us grow together. I'm looking for your channel of Ocean. Ocean, I'm looking for your channel. Once I see it, let's see. AN. Guys, let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know where you're watching me from.
Wow, 1,000 subscribers on TikTok. And she made music quality. Child, I play music.
Oh, wait, down Tumblr.
Jimmy Mickey, yeah.
What I go here, Vana.
Two band child.
Why don't get it? Okay, I'm still looking for your channel. Can't find it.
Me in my package yourself. Actually, one of them is why gonna better audio again.
Okay, who have a question?
I know Kwana go using Kwana. Kwana
Okay, yeah.
very good audio.
Ocean. ECLIPS. Ocean, I believe you can see that's your YouTube channel. Let's see. Oh God, it's crazy. I'm trying to. I can't find your channel. I'm seeing other people's channel. Can I just keep searching? Do you have another name for your channel? What is your channel handle? So that I can look for it. Because what I'm seeing is more like videos. I've not seen that as the name of a channel. That's what I'm seeing here. Guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. You're welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Watch our videos. I have different videos. I'm sitting here, I'm editing videos again to post on this channel. So please, guys, do not miss it out so we can have a nice time together. Everybody watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. And to all my fans, to all my subscribers, love you guys. You guys are all the best. Ocean, can you please send that YouTube channel again so I can get it clear? Because I can't find it. Let me check on the system. I'm on YouTube, yes, sir. So I domain yeah.
What to go?
Women, they are really trying. If you're a woman here, you are really trying. You are doing a great job. You know, if you are here, you have a woman in your life. Appreciate that woman. Please, if you are here watching me and you have a woman in your life, please appreciate that woman. If you have a husband in your life, please appreciate that husband. It's not easy. Women are really a blessing to us. But some of us, a lot of us, we don't know that. So please, always remember to take care of your woman. She's a great gift to you, so you have to cherish it. Sunnyside, welcome. Good morning. How are you? Thank you for joining my live stream. Oh, Ocean, I've seen your YouTube channel right now. Let me show you my system. Okay. Thank you for the information. Ocean, that's your channel. Yeah. So let me go into it and then look at it. Oh, you have 111 subscribers. Your channel is full of Batman. You have a lot of cats on your channel. Yeah. I've just subscribed to your channel. Guys, in case you're watching me here and you're a YouTuber, you can drop your YouTube channel or name so that I can search and subscribe to you. And you're all welcome. I greet you specially. You're all my VIPs. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy to have you here. Let's know where you're watching us from. Let's know. Please, somebody should press the like button, like the video, share and comment. Excuse me. Welcome guys. Thank you. Let me know where you're watching me from. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Hi. Let my friend say something. We're in the office. That's my colleague, KT International, aka the stamp professional in the stamp field.
Okay, welcome guys. Thank you for joining this live stream. If you're here and you're a content creator, you will agree that the life of a content creator is not an easy one.
So,
Always doing something. When you're done with one, you're up for another one. So, we are content creators. We're here in the office trying to do the behind the scene.
yeah.
You know, the things that happen before you see a beautiful video.
We'll call live tomorrow.
When you go on YouTube, or maybe you watch a movie and you see a beautiful thing happening and say, wow, it's good. You don't know the stress that was involved in the work that happened behind. Okay, the next live will be tomorrow. Next live stream will be tomorrow. Okay. So if you're a content creator, tell us the kind of content you do. What kind of content do you do? If you're a content creator. Oh wow, that's cool. Sunnyside makes art and edit. That's beautiful.
Introduce your channel to them too.
Make videos of my cats. Yeah, that's cool. Sunnyside, where are you streaming from? And Ocean X clips as well. No. I mean, country. Oh wow, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. You know, the reason why I asked that is that you know, in the Western world, there's so much value on pets. In Africa, we don't value pets so much. That kind of cuddling, that care that the Europeans, I mean, what we normally call the white generally, what the kind of attention they give to pets, we don't do that so much in Africa. I don't know why, but that's why I asked. And so your channel is going to do great. Just keep on doing the work. Yeah. In fact, we have vet doctors here who don't have jobs because a dog is sick. I mean, who cares? A cat. In fact, many like we are in Nigeria. Many Nigerians don't even like cats. But of course, we have people who have pets at home. Many people have dogs, but the care that all those things, those dog walking. No, 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 no. You hardly find that happening here. That's for sure. And even here, people spend a lot of money, to go learn veterinary medicine. You know, it's a is it 5 or 6 years course in the university, and then when you're done, you're looking for what to do. You open a vet shop, no one is coming there. It's crazy here. But it's good that you're doing it where it's good that you're doing it where the market is. Hi Rose. Yeah, I'm holding brief. Yeah, Shima was here. Rose Shima was here. He just left the office to go do something outside, and so I'm holding brief for him. So welcome, Rosie. Yeah, Shima called earlier. No, Ethereum. No, I don't. What is that? Ethereum. Who is Ethereum, or what is Ethereum? Let me see. Ethereum. Ethereum. Oh, looks like a pig. Ethereum looks like a.
Hey, Rose is here.
Okay. Shima Rose is saying you should turn on the super chat button.
It's on already. Okay, let me check.
My pet cat's name is Breezy. Oh, Breezy. It's one other thing is funny how people name pets. Somebody's pet can be bearing your name and be like, "What? That's my name." Okay, all right. Rose, see you later.
Rose, where is he going?
Going back to work.
Don't go anywhere. Rose, do not go.
Rose, how is the Gen Z thing going?
No, boy. Super chat is on now. See. Nigga. All my buttons are of super chat, super thanks.
Cat gender. What's that? Something we got like. What's the lie? So you didn't know the gender at first? Oh. Uh-oh. That's quite confusing. Okay. And you were expecting a girl, right? Are you referring to veterinary doctors? Don't take it too hard on them. They are they're also human beings and can make a mistake. Okay. Thank you, Sunnyside Kitty. Thank you. You have kept the conversation going. Thank you very much. Where is everyone else? Sunnyside is asking, where is everyone else? Where's Shima? Shima is back.
Let's do.
Shima is back.
Okay, move on.
Shima is back.
Hey yo. Z in the Z. That's why musicians do now. Imagine I just take this thing to the studio and just say, hey yo, this is Z in the Z, talking to the B, going to the C, going to the E, going to the F, yeah, just put one or two lines together and then, boom, you have your song ready. Guys, yeah, that's what's up, bro. Hey yo, this is me here chatting with my friend Sunnyside, hey, on YouTube, blah, 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 la, 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 lo. So that's what's up, man. You do that, then you see people, oh, that guy's good. Then when I create that, then I have a good sound, good mix, and then you have you be going like this, man. So now let us create a beat, yeah. Let us create our own beat. Me and my colleague here. You'll be doing chikicha. Go. 1, 2, go. All right, so guys, I'm going to give KT this live because I'm going somewhere. I have a job. They're calling me, so I need to go. And he is going to be here chatting with you guys. So you guys should enjoy yourself with all the chatting. And yeah, basically, that is that. So KT, take the floor. Let me find a way to plug the phone. Should I move on? So, what we cool channel or what? You should be playing for the kids. About the number ambassador. Yeah, guys, we're still here. Can you give me an idea of what to do or to draw?
What should we draw? The funniest person to draw in the US right now is Donald Trump.
How you want them to draw Donald Trump
Draw Donald Trump.
as what? Cartoon?
However you're going to draw it, just
You mean the almighty Donald?
yeah, draw. You know, Trump is the man of. Okay, I don't know what side you are on, but right now, many people are talking about Trump, so draw him. All right.
Your channel will have engagement.
Maybe you should draw him. One of those is facial reactions.
yeah.
Expressions. You know. All right. See you soon. If you're just joining this live stream, welcome. Like to know where you're streaming from. If you are a content creator, I'd love to know the kind of content you do. Like I said, if you're just joining, love to know where you're streaming from. Love to know the kind of content you do. That's if you're a content creator. Let us know. This live stream will be better and easier and smoother if we get to communicate. All right. So, let me know where you're streaming from. Let me know if you're a content creator, the kind of content you create. Even if you're not, what you do. What do you do? There may be someone in the comment section who is looking for your kind of service. So thank you for joining. If you're just joining this live stream, I am not Shima. I don't know, maybe some of you must have known Shima before. I am not Shima. He started this live but had to step out. I am his colleague. We are in the same office. We do kind of same thing. So that's what I mean. And so if you're just joining, we'd like to know where you're streaming from, like to know what you do. It's crazy, man. Okay. Yeah, I have a channel. For me, what I do basically, I have a channel where I do tutorials on video editing and stuff like that. Started it recently. The name is Aka KT. I also have a YouTube channel for children animation. I do children animation. AKEGHTER. Like, I don't know if you see this. AKEAKEGH. That's too poor. The handwriting is too poor. Let me make them single. Yeah, this looks better. This looks better, right? AKEAKEGHTER. So for me, that's my channel. What consumes most of my time is cartoon animation. It's quite time consuming, and the channel where I do my cartoon creation, where I post my cartoons, is K-Toons Kiddies TV. K as in KAY. K-Toons. K-Toons Kiddies TV. Even right now, I'm on something. You can see I am doing some stuff. Yeah. So see, recover, yes. Yeah, see that? Yeah. So the name of my channel is K-Tunes Kiddies TV. I post that there. I would have played something here, but this is not my channel, so if I play it, YouTube is going to capture it as the sound of this channel, and then when I post it on my own channel, YouTube may think I'm using someone else's content. So yeah, this is my channel. K-Tunes Kiddies TV. That's my channel. I've not gone so far. I started this channel not so long ago, so I have few videos. I'm creating more. All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. It was nice having you on this live. If you're watching and you're not saying something, okay, let me not say saying something. You're not typing something. I wonder, or maybe you prefer to be anonymous. So let's keep the live stream active. Okay.